Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I'm really going to be showing y'all how you guys can cop the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm gonna check that real quick. Bordeaux. Not Bordeaux, Bordeaux. But yeah, we're going to be discussing how you guys can cop this beautiful pair of Jordan 6s right here. Well, to each its own. I personally don't think they're actually that great, so I don't know why I said that. But if y'all want more content like this, y'all can check my Instagrams, any of that down below. We're about to hit 7K here, and I haven't posted since like 5, so thank y'all for following me. I appreciate it. I'll still post my story, I'll post a couple things here and there. Of course, I'll have the 50K giveaway. I will be guaranteed posting something there, so when we hit 50K here, yeah, I'm definitely going to be posting something on my Instagram, some sort of giveaway, and that'll be going on for like a month or so. And it's going to be for a pair of Lightning 4s, as I promised. I have some pairs right here. This is just one grade school pair. I had one from Snkrs, but I got an adult. Also have an 8.5 that I got from a mystery box. But yeah, subscribe and like if you want to. Too long of an intro, and no like goal in this video, just as many as possible. So let's now hop into it. So first things first, about the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux right here. Really, main thing I wanted to discuss the $190 retail. That is a higher retail, but it's not as high as something as, the Lightning 4s, which was a $220 retail. And this one, as you can see, will be dropping September 4th. Typical time, 10 a.m. Eastern time. It's always that time, pretty much every Snkrs drop. They don't change it up unless it's some sort of exclusive access drop, which is usually around like 12. Or the off-white drop, which those are done with. They aren't doing those anymore. So yeah, pretty much looking into it. Normal time, the date's just September 4th, so just mark your calendar. I do think this one could potentially be worth it. And don't forget, it's not 10 a.m. everywhere. Just want to mention this in every video. It's 10 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure you just check in the app to see when it is dropping for you, because on the West Coast it's probably 7 a.m. So make sure you check that. But yeah, aside from this, overall, I don't think these are too bad. I mean, it's just not my personal taste. I like the colors they've chosen. It's just another pair of 6s in my opinion. But it does seem like these are actually selling not too bad. Like these could actually be some decent profit. So I will be going for these. These will sell out. People will make some money on these. I think that is very possible, especially in those bigger sizes. I think if you cop like a size 11 plus in this one, you'll be making some actually not bad profit on this one. Like, probably like, I think it'd be probably around 30-40 bucks, maybe 50 bucks on drop day. We'll see. There is a fair amount of sites dropping this one as well, so that could obviously bring down the price, and it will be brought down. It will fall a bit, but yeah, people are liking these ones, and even the grade school sizes are reselling right now if you check it out. But we're not really discussing resale right now. Just overall, it's another basic 6, and the last few pairs of Jordan 6s that they have dropped half bricked. I do want to point that out. So that's not necessarily a good sign, but again, it's still like September 2nd today. It's 2 days before the drop, and these aren't really going for too close to retail. There's almost 500 sales or something at like $260. So I think the love is there, and overall, I mean, for a pair of 6s, I could see these being more popular in the winter. Like not right now. Like I feel like if they drop these in the winter time, because I feel like 6s are more of like a winter shoe. Well, I don't feel like, you label shoes by like what time of the year you wear them, but, I feel like you'd wear, kind of bulkier shoes in the winter time. Like Jordan 4s are up next. I mean, the Jordan 4s have been up for years, but just their popularity on 4s right now is insane. But yeah, aside from that, looking into this, we'll just kind of hop into resale since I don't really have much more to discuss in terms of copying. Or just the basic details on there. We still have plenty to discuss with copying, but looking into resale right now on all the sizes, it's actually reselling for a range right now of around $250 to $270, and that's actually not too bad. But in some of the bigger sizes right here, like 12.5 and up, you have some sales actually around $300. Like look at this. For this size 14, yeah, size 14, that's always, a little sleeper size. It's usually very low stock though, so copying a size 14 is much harder than it would be to cop something like a 10 or 10.5, which is the stocks, which are the sizes with the most stock always. That's just usually the case. That's why those sizes typically fall in value lower than the other ones. But yeah, looking at the size 13, that'll be the money size for this shoe. A size 13 will be the one you want to get. It looks like we consistently have people. I mean, look, the bid's $289, lowest size $289. The reason it isn't a sale is because they're not in the same region. But yeah, $289. You can see people are willing to pay for this one. So I will be going for this shoe in a size 13 on pretty much all my accounts. Maybe in different ones. I'll probably switch up some variety just to guarantee myself a pair. Like I'll probably go for something like, I mean, it looks like 7.5 is actually not too bad. I don't know what the sales are looking like. Yeah, only one sale, so that's not really consistent. But I'll probably go for like a 10, something, higher stock. and then I'll definitely be trying to enter into 13 because that looks like it's a lot of money there. But I think reselling the shoe, once it drops in all the sites and everything, again, I do think there's a lot of risk on the shoe. That's why I'm still going to be going for it. But, you know, just a lot of sixes have been dropping in value, and a lot of them have been Birkin. But this one is a little bit different if you kind of check it out. Not really dropping before drop day, not dropping in price. So I don't know what that's about, but it's looking good. So my resale estimation on this one, I'm going to put it at $220 to $260, and I will put a plus because I do think those bigger sizes, if this shoe really is as popular as it looks right now, I mean, I think it's just lower stock out there. People that are, you know, Jordan 6 fans are paying high for it right now, but I'll put a plus because, you know, I think those bigger sizes could stay at like $300. I think it's possible, but again, just go for the right size and you'll make money on the shoe. But I think honestly, if you cop any size, you might make money on the shoe because it's looking, I mean, people like it. Look, there's the amount of sales here, 500 sales almost, and it's at a range of $250 to $273. Not bad. So that's above the retail price of $190. That's money right there. So yeah, aside from that, the basic details on the shoe, let's kind of hop into how you guys could actually cop this off the Snkrs app. Now, if you've been here, you know these videos I'm about to mention. You pretty much know the tips I'm about to discuss right here. But yeah, I just want to say thank you all for the support you've shown in these videos. This one has almost 90,000 views, which is crazy. So thank you all. I appreciate it. I will be making another sneakers related video soon to kind of show y'all what I've been doing to cop kind of consistently in sneakers, because your boy's been on a streak lately. Your boy Fragments, Undercover, Dunk Highs, 2 pairs of Lightnings. There's some other ones in there, but yeah, just we've been on a good roll lately. We've been using these tips right here, but I've been changing up a couple things from this video. There's some things in here that I don't necessarily use anymore, and I've noticed the second I stop doing those things, I hit. So funny enough. But yeah, this one right here, just check it out, this draw right here. And then also this one kind of shows you all, again, if you don't know how to make multiple accounts on sneakers, because don't forget, having more accounts on sneakers will increase your chances of copping. That's just true. If Nike says having more accounts won't increase, that's a fat lie. That's why I always cop on 2 accounts, right, Nike? That's why, you know, it's just like, come on, multiple accounts is a way to help yourself cop more often. So if you want to check this video, learn how you can make more accounts in sneakers, it still works. Everything's the same right here, so check that out. All the tips still apply. Might make an updated version soon, just to kind of, you know, I guess, you know, have a fresher video out on it. We'll see. I mean, all the tips would pretty much be the same because it's nothing really different with making a sneakers account now than it was, you know, a year ago, 5 years ago, etc. But yeah, aside from that, really looking into it, we'll kind of discuss another way that you guys could cop this one, since this shoe is dropping on many foot sites, and I will be using these guys, and hopefully they will cop me some pairs of these. And I want to give a huge shout out to my guys at Secret Sauce. As always, they are a $60 monthly fee, but you can definitely make your money back with this group. I mean, I've had someone, when I was in this group, I entered in the slot 5 minutes before it closed, right? 5 minutes before it closed. And someone caught me 2 PS5s, $200 profit just like that. Spent 5 minutes on my phone. That's all it took. And the monthly fee is $60, and I made $200 in 5 minutes on my phone like that. And all I recommend, once you're in this chat, my main recommendation is that you have just mute. Beautiful stutter right there, but mute all the rest of the channels in your phone and just leave the important info one on, and you'll get a ton of good info right there, and you'll be copping in the chat. But aside from that, kind of once you're in it, how they would actually help you cop sneakers that are dropping on, you know, foot sites like this one is, again, dropping on Foot Locker, different places. Is once you're in it, they have this thing called slots, as you can see right here. They mention it, but it's actually called tickets in their chat. So slots and tickets are the same thing, but in the ticket section in their chat, basically once you're in it, it shows all the people running for like sports cards, since you know those are flipping on like eBay and different places. Even on Instagram, you can resell them. Then also, aside from the sports cards, you know, of course, they have people running for sneakers, or, you know, people copping you PS5s. I'm always, whenever they got some PS5s, you know, I lost my last credit card, so I got my new one coming today, so I'm very excited because I'm definitely about to be having someone cop me a ton of PS5s, because that's money. It's money. And there's also a chip shortage right now around the world, so I think PS5 prices are about to rise, and I got 2 on the way already, and I have them pending sold. But I mean, if they go up like $800, I'm gonna be like, not for sale. But yeah, this group's really helpful. They taught me a lot of stuff, and how you'd enter in a ticket, again, if you're trying to, you know, get some shoes, because they definitely will be running some for the Jordan 6 Bordeaux. So once you're in it, they have this section. I've already explained all that, and how you'd enter it. It's a Google Doc, and all you do is put your shipping and payment info. I do this every week. Again, it's perfectly safe. Never had an issue. Never had no info stolen. They're perfectly safe, and you know, they have paid and free slots. So if you enter in a paid one and they copy the item, and you just got to pay them a little fee after, whatever it may be. And then if you enter in a free ticket, it, then and they copy the item, then you don't owe them nothing. You gotta pay them no fee, none of that, and it's profit towards your monthly fee, and you can pay that off and then start making money. It's really easy. I do it every month, and it's really not that difficult. You just gotta kind of stay active in the chat, and it really helps y'all out. So if you want to check Secret Sauce out down below, just send them a message on Twitter, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, I'm trying to get in. Or if they don't respond there, just go on the Instagram, give them a follow, and yeah, just wait until they drop invites again, and just turn the notifications on so you don't miss when they drop invites again. But yeah, shout out to these guys. We've been working hard together for a while now, and I appreciate them and their constant support. We're gonna keep working and copping together, because we've been having a lot of success. That's dope. But yeah, aside from that, right here, I also want to say, what am I? I just said say. I'm gonna link these two articles down below. This one right here, the sneaker news article. As you can see, there's plenty of raffles going on for this shoe, so make sure y'all check that out. I'm not gonna link this one. Actually, I'm just gonna link one of them. I'll probably link this one, the House of Heat one, since it shows really more of the raffle locations, so you guys can see all the places you can go enter in these ones before. So don't forget, raffles are another way you can cop a shoe. It's another chance. So I'll definitely be doing this today. After my classes. I got class in like an hour. I just had to get up early and make this video right here. But yeah, so not a bad pair of shoes. I kind of see why people like them. Not my personal taste. I'm just not a Jordan 6 fan. But yeah, not bad. So I'd say you guys could cop the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. I think Google may have had me right there, so hopefully Google got me right, but that's everything that needs to be mentioned about the shoes. So if you want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below in the description, feel free. Those will be there. And if you want more content like this, of course, subscribe and like down below. Road to 50K. We're about to hit 49K probably, tonight or tomorrow. It'll be soon, but thank you all. I really appreciate it, because we've been working hard, and I've been waiting to hit 50K. That's a huge milestone. That's pretty close to 100K. It's halfway there at least. So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep going, and we'll definitely hit 100K eventually. So I appreciate it. Thank you all. I've been helping your boy out with paying off college bids, so thanks. But I'll see you on the next video. I'm ending the screen recording, so I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully I catch you on the next one, and good luck with copping. Peace.